Hi everyone. Today we're gonna be microwaving Whoppers. Totally.
Wicked.
Wicked.
Yeah, wicked. Awesome. I gotta open the hatch door. There it is.
Okay, here we go. Right.
Put it in. Two
Whoppers.
Whopper balls. Whopper ew balls. No, you have to put them on a napkin, Johnny boy.
Alright.
Alright, here, start it up. 1 minute. 1 minute going in. Here they go.
And no looking at my little fry.
Get the Whoppers. They're expanding. Any minute now. Any second now. They're not expanding. Expand!
Ow.
They're expanding. Turn it off. Can't hear it. They're expanding. They're expanding.
Hold on. Hold it, hold it. Hold it, oh my.
Well, we had to pause it for a second, folks.
Look at what we found.
Smoke! Run!
Alright folks,
I'm not touching that.
this is what we got.
Let's dance some more. We have to microwave more of our candy.
We don't.
The crunch.
Stop. We're saving these.
We're saving these. Here we go. We're
Future
gonna
episode.
now this. Goodbye.
Please enjoy the following dance.
Run, Kyle.
Created by Lego Stop. Song, Benny Hill theme song. Thank you, everyone.